Hey everyone, want to master Google Analytics? In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Analytics like a professional and understand your website data step by step. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Google Analytics account. Next, explore your GA4 dashboard and learn the main sections, including Reports ***, Explore ***, Advertising ***, and Admin ***. Start by reviewing the real-time *** report to monitor active visitors and confirm that your tracking setup is working correctly. Next, use the *acquisition reports to understand where your traffic comes from, including search engines, social media, direct visits, and referral sources. Open the engagement reports to analyze how users interact with your website. Review events, pages, screens, and user activity to understand visitor behavior. Next, learn how to create custom reports using the Explore ** section. Add dimensions, metrics, filters, and segments to analyze the data that matters most. Set up and monitor important events and conversions to measure goals like purchases, signups, downloads, and other valuable actions. Use audience insights to understand your visitors, including their devices, locations, and engagement patterns. Next, connect Google Analytics with tools like Google Ads and Search Console to get deeper insights into your marketing performance. Regularly review your reports, test improvements, and use your data to make smarter decisions for your website or business. And that's how to master Google Analytics. With consistent practice and a strong understanding of your data, you can use analytics to improve your website, optimize marketing campaigns, and grow your online presence. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.